Alright, well, today we're going to be fighting a bunch of... What the fuck? This is Half Sword, a game about dueling. Oh, I've got a nice banana hat on my head. Whoa, get the fuck back, buddy. Yeah, who do you think you were? I think I might be special, dude, because I can't hit this guy. Oh my god, this game is brutal. So you knock over these barrels and you get items from them. Fuck, am I gonna go row a boat? Why the fuck do I need a wooden paddle, dude? Okay. Whoa. Come on. Bitch. It's like Duel of the Fates right here. Oh shit. Here we go. No, pick it up. No. Fuck! Pick it up! Oh shit! Okay, maybe if this game wasn't so fucking janky. Alright, bitch. You thought you was ready? Oh! Yeah! Oh yeah, yeah. More objects. Whoa! Oh! My god. Try to sneak up on me with the shank. Was this London, dude? What the fuck was that? Hey, chill. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh dude, this is demonetized immediately. Holy. Oh yeah? Who do you think you are, buddy? Oh, get off of me. Who did you think you were? He almost slit my throat, dude. I was almost dead. Whoa. Whoa. I just feel like I'm at death, dude. Oh, yeah? Get off of me. Hey, back up. Oh, you're dead. Oh, who are you? Well, I don't know how that happened, buddy, because I didn't have a sword, so. Oh, we got another dueler. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah, see this. Oh, yeah. Wait. Oh, you thought you could sneak up on me. Oh my god. Oh my god, this game is so brutal. Wait, who do you think you are? Oh, whoa. Wait. Hold on, guys, chill. There we go. Oh, yeah, now we're good. Ooh, get off of me. Ooh, oh, hey, calm the fuck down, buddy. Ooh, get off of me. Hey. Oh, dude. Oh, that's so Oh, hey, another banana. I'm the real banana. Who do you think you are? Oh my god. I'm the real banana man. You're a fake. Oh, no, he knocked me out. Oh, no. Oh, well, you're dead. Oh, now we're looking drippy, dude. Oh, yeah. I think they can get old Switchblade. But Blade isn't my name. Nobody can oppose me. See, I know what I'm doing here. Oh, yeah. Let's get that. Oh, yeah. Wait, no. Pick up that. No. What? Oh, my God. Don't ever do that again. Don't ever sneak up on me again. You hear me? See, that's what happens when you sneak up on me, little boy. Get your guts cut out. Let's continue onwards. Now we got a little, it looks like a Hershey's Kiss on my head. Oh, who are you? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, yeah, we got a dual-wield axes. Wah. Getting my revenge. There you are. Die. Oh, yeah. All right, well, let's continue onwards. Whoa, I want that. Wait. Dude, just wait. Oh my god. All right. Whoa. Oh, no. Oh my. Damn it. I'm starting to think that I am never going to beat this game. What if this is the strat? Hold on. It is the strat. This is how you fight in this game. Give me what's inside the chest. Shoes. Oh, I've always wanted a pair of shoes for Christmas. Oh, yeah. Who do you think you? Hey! Chill the fuck out with your paddle, motherfucker. Yeah, you're still alive? Where'd my weapon go? Hey. Hold on, we got a fist fight real quick. Hold on, let me grab you. Oh yeah, see, you ain't doing nothing now. It's like UFC right here. Oh, die. Give it now. Yeah, hey, yeah. I'll be right back. Oh, dude, what are you doing? Martial arts? What you doing? Oh, look at him. He like, oh, I'm ready. Oh, yeah, get on your knees, bitch. Boom. Oh, I just knocked you out clean. Whoa, why is there a pile of blood over here? Oh, we got paddle wars? Oh, yeah. Oh, you got knocked out, buddy. Oh, hey, what is that? What do you have, dude? Is that a bottle? Wait, is that a wooden mallet? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? This game just gets better and better. Oh. Ooh. Up, there you go. You want me to turn you into a chicken? Oh my God. Where did you come from? Fucking leprechaun? Oh, yeah. Did you just wander off into the darkness with one arm? They are no match. No match for the master switchblade. Oh, yeah. Oh, hey, you're defending my helmet there, buddy. I need my Hershey's chocolate helmet. Oh, you almost got me there. Oh, yeah, buddy. Oh, dude. I'm a naked man with a dream. Oh my God. Oh, dude, you just got decapitated, motherfucker. I am the naked man with a dream. The dream to overcome everything and everyone. Oh, nice sword, dude. Who do you think you are? Wait, why are you not dying? Die! Just die! Die! Wait, whoa. The two boyfriends showed up dead. Wait. This is not it. This is not how I want to go out. I'm going out with a bang, man. You guys are not a bang. Unless you're trying to bang each other. Because that's the only thing you'll be doing. Yeah, how do you like that, buddy? How do you like that? Oh, yeah. You think you're somebody, don't you? Oh, yeah. Wait, why'd I fall over? Yeah, now we're ready. Yeah, we're ready. We got a shield. Oh, we got a sword. Oh, yeah, this is gonna be amazing. Oh, yeah, here we are. Oh, yeah. Ooh, that felt good, man. All right, let me just move your corpse out of the way. Oh, hey, get out of my ass. Yeah, hey, I'm sitting on the spike. Oh, fuck. Oh, we got these two again. No. Oh, it hurt. Grab it. You dumbasses, just bend over and pick it up. We got a sword. See, he grabbed that. All right, cool. I can deal with it now. No. Die. Yes. Oh, shit. Where'd you come from? There we go. There we go. There we go. That's what I wanted. And you're still alive. Oh, dude, his leg's on my. Oh, dude. Oh, get it off. Wait. Oh, shit. I got stuck. Okay. Hold on. No. What? Oh my God. This game. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe and go watch some more of my content. But anyways, guys, peace out.